Ever wondered how deli meats like turkey and chicken, made in factory, get their flavor? In this video, we take you inside the process, from marinating with spices and honey to shaping, smoking, and frying for that perfect taste. Watch how these meats are transformed into your favorite deli products in factory. This deli meat is a popular choice instead of corned beef or salami because it's lower in fat. The key to making delicious deli meats is in the seasoning. It all starts with filtered water to mix in seasonings like salt, herbs, and spices. For the honey maple recipe, they also add honey. While the seasonings are being prepared, they check the temperature of the raw poultry to make sure it's safe. If the temperature is even slightly off, they reject the entire batch to prevent bacteria. Luckily, this batch is perfectly chilled. A machine with long needles injects the seasoning mixture into the chicken breasts. Excess liquid drains off as the meat moves to a holding area, where it marinates for at least 2 hours. After marinating, rollers gently massage the meat to break down fibers and make it more tender. Then, metal paddles in a tumbler knead the meat even more, releasing a natural protein that will help bind the chicken pieces together. In the turkey section, workers shape marinated turkey breasts and add strips of bacon in a crisscross pattern for full coverage. They sprinkle more seasoning and wrap the meat tightly in plastic. This helps shape the turkey breast for a better appearance and flavor. For the spicy southwestern turkey, they coat it in a bold marinade with salsa, salt, and seasonings. After shaping it by hand, it's ready for the oven. On the chicken line, the process is slightly different. Since chicken breasts are smaller, they're placed in special plastic molds. As the molds move along, workers sprinkle spices on the chicken and check for any harmful bacteria. Once sealed, the molds head to the smoke oven, where the chicken smokes for 6 hours at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The earlier kneading helps the chicken pieces stick together, forming the shape of the mold. After cooking, workers remove the molds, drain the juices, and send the chicken to the fryer. The hot oil crisps the outside, giving it a delicious golden brown color. Meanwhile, some cooked chicken breasts are tossed in hot buffalo wing sauce to add an extra spicy kick. And after extra seasoning, the chicken travels through a long arc of electrical heat rods. This is a special convection oven. By now, the turkey deli meat has also been thoroughly cooked and crisped. They transfer the turkey-filled bags to clam-like devices that close around them. Inside, a vacuum sucks out the air to shrink the packaging around the turkey and keep it fresh. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how deli meats are made, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes food production videos.